CryptoPay Servers. Stop paying fee to accept crypto. Act 1 The hook. You build something real. You follow the customer willing to pay in crypto, and then a payment process quietly take a cut every single time on every single seller for as long as you run your business. What if I told you there is a way to accept crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and a dozen other chains with zero platform fees, no load fee, no first month fee, zero forever? That is exactly what CryptoPay servers give you. Act 2 The problem. Here is the reality most developers don't talk about. If you are selling a $99 SaaS subscription and processing it through a custom crypto gateway, you are losing somewhere between the $1 and the $3 on every single transaction. That doesn't sound like much until you do 400 transaction months. Now you are handling over 1,400 a month to $18,000 a year to a middleman who add that zero value to your product, and he give it worse. Custom process hold you froze. They can frozen your account. They require KYC. They trick your customers. They own your payment data. You build an open source product to give people freedom, and then you handle your entire payment layer to a company that can put a plugin on you at any time. There is a better way. Act 3 The solution. CryptoPay Server is the few open source self-hosted crypto payment gateway. You deploy it, you own it, you control it entirely. When a customer pays you, the money goes directly from their wallet to yours, peer-to-peer, on-chain, no middleman, no custom, no fee beyond the standard blockchain network fee. CryptoPay servers never touch your money. It never sees your private keys. It simplifies watching the blockchain, generate invoice, and notify you when payment is confirmed. That is it. And he supports the chain your customer actually use, blockchain network, for instance, local payments, Ethereum, Solana, BNB Smart Chain, TRON for USDT transfers, Gitcode, and TRON. 8 chains out of the box, no plugins, no internal setup. Act 4 The demo. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. This is the CryptoPay Server's dashboard. From here, I can create a store. Let's call it a digital store. Now I will set up a blockchain wallet. I pass in my intent of public key. CryptoPay read the public key only. My private key never leave my hardware wallet. Now let me create an invoice. $49 for a pro license. CryptoPay Server automatically generate a fresh value object. Never reuse. Convert the dollar amount to the current BTC rate and display the QR code. Customers scan this pays from any Bitcoin wallet. The moment it hit the blockchain, confirm. No lock required on the customer side. No account, no tracking, just a payment. And if you are running a Shopify or WooCommerce store, CryptoPay Server integrate directly at checkout. Your customers see the pay with crypto as a negative payment option, powered entirely by your own infrastructure. Act 4. Social proof trust. CryptoPay Server is fully open source. Every line of code is publicly on GitHub. You can argue it, fork it, contribute to it. There are no hidden backdoors, no data collections, no advertising. It is used by independent developers, online merchants, fairness and price-focused business around the world. Anyone who believes that accepting payment shouldn't mean surrender control of your business beyond the invoicing, he should with a point of sale app for physical retail, crowdfunding models, and an embeddable payment button you can drop on any website into light of HTML. Act 6. The CTA. Here is what I want you to do right now. Go to CryptopayServer.online. The software is free. You can self-host it on a $6 a month VPS using Docker. There is a step-by-step guide in the documentation. You will be running in under 16 minutes. If you want managed hosting, so someone else handle the infrastructure, that option is available too, starting with a few tiers. And if you find it useful, drop a start on GitHub. It takes a few seconds and it helps other developers discover the project. You spend months building your product. You flow the customer. Don't give anyway your revenue to the payment processor who adding nothing to your business. CryptoPay Server is crypto you kid you valued. You zero fees.